Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can copy and share your Threads profile link or Threads profile URL. And I believe that's why you're watching this video, so make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to open your Threads account. Once you open your Threads app, the next step that you need to take is to tap on your Threads profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, here in your Threads profile, what you have to do is to tap on the share profile. You can see it there. Just tap on it. So guys, where it is written copy to clipboard, just tap on it to copy. You can as well share to other places that you can see here, as you can see. So let me tap on copy. So once you tap on copy, you can go out. Maybe you want to share it on WhatsApp, or maybe you want to go to your browser. Let's go to our browser. Maybe you're using Chrome, or you're using Opera Mini or Phoenix, whichever browser you're using. So let me paste it on my Chrome browser. Then let me tap on search. Wow, so guys, as you can see, it's directing us back to our Threads profile account. So guys, as you can see, this is very easy and quick, and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.